Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. I have my nail shack for October. Nice black package for Halloween month, I would assume. Just going to take everything out and then I'll give you a little bit of information. Oh, how cute. On Nail Shack. Thank you to Deanna for kindly sending this to me every month to share with all of you. I do giveaways with the majority of these because I only do accent nails, so I don't need to keep all of them. Table. Oreo, I just did like the front part of Bully Make and she was sleeping and she woke up. She knew. It's not here, honey. I'm so sorry. Nail Shack can be found on Cratejoy. The adult pack is $9.95. The kid pack is $8.75. I do believe your Nail Shack pack will include, and it is DIY Nail Shack. I just say Nail Shack. I am so sorry. I should say DIY Nail Shack. 4 full sets of nail wraps, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file. You enjoy salon quality nails at home. New designs each month. No drying time. Easy application, which I agree with. Ships worldwide from the U.S. I love that they always include a little information sheet. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. All this good stuff. Cratejoy. If you follow DIY Nail Shack on Instagram and like some of the, maybe the gel strips that they have there, you might find them in your pack. Here is the bag for October. Beautiful. And I save these bags and then I put the sets that I give away in them. I'm sure there'll be some holiday themed stuff. So we have a black cuticle pusher and then nail file is here, right here. So I just keep the, I don't use those. So I just include them. Let me get a quick look at the sets. Oh, cute. Oh, they're nice. Set number 1 right here. Adorable. And this is just not Halloween time. You could wear these whenever. And they are black. Cute. I like them. And these are just, you know, like that fall vibe. These are cute. Almost like a little bit of, almost looks like stitching. Very cute. Here's another fall. Could be Thanksgiving-ish. Pumpkins and blues. Pretty. And this set is very interesting. This is very whimsical. I could not, this would have to be like 1 nail accent. That's a little much for me, but still adorable. So they are the 4 sets that I received from Nail Shack, plus the cuticle pusher and the file, and then the information sheet. And if you sign up for this, you know, $10 a month, you get 4 sets. And these will last upwards of 2 weeks, if not longer. I always suggest very clean nails. Make sure that you don't, once you clean them, don't touch them again to transfer oils, because that's going to lift the, you know, the sticker, the wrap. Clean them. Like sometimes I'll just take some alcohol on like a face pad, if or if you have the alcohol wipes, and just right before I'm ready to apply any of these, just touch it with alcohol, let it dry, and I don't touch it with my finger again, because you will transfer oils onto your nail, and they're not going to stick if there's oil involved. I mean, what kind of sticker of any kind would stick if there's oils? So just be mindful. I always top coat with a clear on top of anything like this once a week, twice a week, just to seal it into your nail and help maintain them and keep them looking as nice as possible. You know, my nails get trashed. I clean, I do dishes, I cook, you know, I do all that stuff. I'm not rough with my nails, but I'm also not super careful. I mean, I have very strong nails, but I don't want anything on my nails that I can't, you know, get in and scrub the shower or do dishes and things like that. To me, that wouldn't be worth it. And they do stay on, but like I said, I do top coat once or twice a week. Helps keep them shiny. I don't do it with regular nail polish because it stays shiny. But these, I like to just make sure they're on there, that water somehow doesn't get underneath and lift them and ruin them. So just top coat it once or twice a week. I mean, it takes, you know, 5 minutes to do that. And usually, like a clear top coat dries real fast. Just don't go real thick with it. And, you know, I've heard people do it, you know, every other night and put clear coat on and have it last. Don't forget, you can tip the front of your nail with your brush when you're putting a clear coat on. Just run it by the top and it seals the top of your nail. It's helps prevent chipping and maybe lifting a rack like this. So there's plenty of tips and tricks out there. But thank you so much for watching. I probably will do the giveaway next month. I think now I have enough sets to have the 3 winners. So stay tuned in November, and I'll include a couple of these. I like a couple of these for myself. And probably might save 1 or 2 of them and then put the others and all the other goodies into a 3-winner giveaway for November. So hope everyone has a great day. I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.